Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check device specifications. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar to type in DevCheck, like that. After that, install this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!